Colombo's luxury real estate market is changing, and today we have come to one of the most sought-after residential suburbs in Colombo. We are in Jayantipura, Battaramulla. My name is Sajjad, and today we're not just showing you a home, we are showing you the benchmark of what luxury real estate is all about. Come inside and let's go and have a look. This luxury house is built to the highest architectural standards, and it sits on 19 perches of land. It has a built-up area of over 8,000 square feet and has 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. That's because luxury real estate means no compromises. Every space here is intentional. Clean lines, premium finishes, and natural light everywhere. There's also separate Maids quarters with all facilities, because a true luxury home thinks of everything. This is where your children grow up, where your weekends feel quiet and your success settle. This home offers comfort, security like no other. And if you are looking to upgrade your lifestyle and not just your address, this is the home that you've been waiting for. This rooftop terrace is built for private evenings, entertaining guests, or simply just enjoying the skyline. This award-worthy house of 2026 is ideal if you're looking for luxury living or a high-end investment. This particular house is not just an option. This is the benchmark. If you want to secure a private viewing, get in touch with us using the number below.